Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about Apple. Here on the daily chart, you can see that we are stuck inside a rising channel for quite some time. We ended up breaking out of that right at the beginning of July, and then we went up and we hit those highs at the upper 149s, pulled back inside of this channel, respected that, and now we broke out on Friday. Obviously, that big pullback last Thursday and Friday, and then going into Monday, that kind of took everything down with it, all of tech, basically the whole market. But then that big run up that we had on Tuesday helped us out. And then obviously Friday, we are now sitting here with a little bit of a breakout of this channel again. So we're currently at 148.27. Our levels that we're looking at are going to be the 147.34 for our first support. Below that, it will be this 9-day EMA currently trading at 145.88. And below that, we're going to be looking at the 144.33 levels. Resistance wise, what we're looking at, well, the first resistance is going to be this 149.88. Above that, we're going to be looking at nice whole numbers, 150, 151, 52, etc. But really, this 149.88, we need to get above that. We do have an expected move of right around $5.70 by this Friday, and this is your earnings cycle. We have earnings coming up July 27th after the bell. So we have to figure out, is this run going to be considered the earnings run up, or is there more left in the tank? Because we always talk about an earnings run up or a run into earnings, but when you have sharp moves like this, even if it doesn't matter if the market tanked or not, when you have sharp moves like this, sometimes that kind of gives you a little clue of, okay, we already overexhausted that run, just every now and then, right? So we always just kind of keep that in mind. Don't really just play off, well, earnings are coming up in 3 days, and I always play 3 days out. So therefore, you know what I mean? Don't really look like that. Kind of be aware of what the whole market has done the past couple weeks or so. Be aware of what this stock has done heading into earnings, and then just be aware of these supports and resistances before you're in here playing it. So again, we do have a $5.70 expected move by this Friday. The Friday after is going to be $6.60 expected move, and then your August monthly is pricing in right around an $8 expected move. Your IV in here is relatively low compared to itself. IV rank of around 17. That gives you a raw IV of around 39% this week, and then really you're in the 30s until that late August expiration cycle. So a little bit of IV, but not a whole lot to work with. So again, just kind of reiterate, watch out for these levels, the 147.30s, that 149.88, the 144.33, and then this 9-day EMA in here. If we do break below this 144.33 on bad earnings or some sort of bad guidance, look for a support down here right around this 141.70 area. Below that, you're going to be down here at the 137s, but I don't think we're going to get quite there. You have to have some pretty bad earnings to have that sort of an expected move. But obviously, there are tail risk involved. There are outliers that do happen. I mean, we just saw Snap have 3-time expected move to the upside. So you never know what could happen. But again, immediately what we're looking at for a run into earnings are these levels here, and we're keeping an eye on seeing if this run was overexhausted or not, or if there's still room to go, especially with this breakout here of that upper trend line of that channel. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.